Hello, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to cook prawns and a monkfish. Okay, if you want to cook the prawn and the monkfish, you need these ingredients. So if you could come a bit closer. So you need coriander, like this. You need tomato, onion, and spring onion. Okay, so to cook the onion, you want to dice the onion, like this. Like this. And to cut the tomato, you want to cut it in 4 pieces, like this. And spring onion. And coriander. Okay, so this is the ingredient you need for the monkfish and the prawn. So for the monkfish, you want to use all of it, all the ingredients: tomatoes, onion, spring onion, and coriander. For a prawn, you need onion, spring onion, and coriander, but not the tomato. So this is the monkfish here, as you can see, and this is the prawn. I think it's a tiger prawn. Look at the size; it's huge. Okay, so for the monkfish, I'm going to cut it in 3 pieces. So you need to cut 3 in the same in the right portion. So it should be like this size. Like this. Yeah. Okay, now we are going to cut the prawn. Okay, so for the prawn, you want to put all the coriander on top of it. Okay, and all of the spring onion. And all of the onions. Okay, so if you want a bit more flavour, you want to have fish sauce, which is this one. You can have, you need to have some pepper. You need to have some chicken seasoning. And lastly, you need a little salt. Okay, so my little brother's going to help me to season the fish. So, can you help me, please?
So first step, put some low salt. And we put some pepper. Yep. And next, we put some fish sauce. And then we sprinkle some chicken flavor, 1 teaspoon. That's it.
Okay, now we have 2 delicious meal, and we're going to let it soak in for 5 minutes.
Now we have to heat the pan ready. So if you want your food to have more flavor, I recommend you use Salad Master Real Titanium cooking pan because it's very good for your health and make your food more very tasty. And also help you save your money because it only cook with a little bit fire, because this pan can hold a lot of heat, so you don't have to use a lot of fire, so you don't waste your money bill. So now before we cook, we have to make the pan hot so the food can get cooked. So we have to turn on the pan. So if you look here, you only need to use a little bit tiny fire like this, and your food can be cooked very quick in 15 minutes. And the over pan, see, you only need a little bit fire, and the pan will be very hot in 5 minutes, like that. So put the lid on to keep the heat inside.
Okay, now as the pan's ready, we're going to put all of the fish in and the vegetable in as well. So,
oh! So put the fish in one by one. So after you put the fish in, you put the recipe on top. And spread out equal so the juice will spread everywhere. And then after you finish, put the lid on to keep the heat inside. Now the next one, the prawn, put in a bigger pan because we have more. Yeah. Well, I put all of the coriander and herb and season it on top here. And put the lid on. And wait for 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes the food will be ripe and ready to eat. Thank you.
The monkfish and the prawn are ready to eat, so we're going to start serving on the plate. So as you can see, as you can come a little bit closer, you can see the monkfish should look like this. Okay.
Very juicy.
You can tell it's very juicy, of course. So first we're gonna. Okay. So we're gonna. Okay, thank you very much. So we're gonna place one fish on this top first.
Pour juice.
And now you can pour the juice from it. Thank you very much.
Presentation. Make it up. Presentation.
It's already beautiful. Okay, and next one up is the shrimp. So we're gonna move this one. Oh, these are very big. Thank you very much. Okay, now we have our two dishes finished, which is the tiger prawn and the monkfish theme. And hopefully you would cook this for your family. And thank you very much for watching. And goodbye. And also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.